Hey viewers, welcome to MyHealth. Today we will discuss benefits of lemon on our health. Let's find out how lemon can be beneficial for us. Number 1. Support heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 mg of vitamin C, which is 51% of reference daily intake. Research shows that eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke. However, it's not the vitamin C that is thought to be good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also be significantly lower some risk factor for heart disease. Number 2. Help control weight. Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food, and there are a few theories as to why this is. One common theory is that the soluble pectin fiber in them expands in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer. Research shows that plant compounds in lemon extract may help prevent or reduce weight gain in a number of ways. Number 3. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidney. They are quite common, and people who get them repeatedly. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and increase urine pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stones formation. Just a half cup of lemon juice per day may provide enough citric acid to help prevent stone formation in people who have already had them. Number 4. Protect against anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common. It occurs when you don't get enough iron from the foods you eat. Lemon contains some iron, but they primarily prevent anemia by improving your absorption of iron from plant foods. Lemons contain both vitamin C and citric acid. They may protect against anemia by ensuring that you absorb as much iron as possible from your diet. Number 5. Reduce cancer risk. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help prevent some cancers. Some observational studies have found that people who eat the most citrus fruit have a lower risk of cancer, while other studies have found no effects. In test tube studies, many compounds from lemon have killed cancer cells. However, they may not have the same effect on the human body. Number 6. Improve digestive health. Lemons are made up of about 10% carbs, mostly in form of soluble fiber and simple sugars. The main fiber in lemons is pectin, a form of soluble fiber linked to multiple health benefits. Soluble fiber can improve gut health and slow the digestion of sugar and starches. These effects may result in reduced blood sugar levels. Thanks for watching the complete video. Explore our channel for more interesting videos.